Welcome to the second tutorial on the quantitative analysis using Stata software. Now we are going to show how to check the normality of the variables. The command for checking the normal distribution of a variable is histogram. Then click on any specific variable, then input comma, then write normal. This is the command you can input to see whether the variable is in normal distribution. Now I am going to check whether the CSR variable is in normal distribution. So the command is histogram, then the variable name, then comma, then normal. Press enter. So after a few seconds the output is showing that the graph which is depicting the CSR variable is not in normal distribution. The normal distribution will have a bell curve, but in this data we can see the data is skewed on the left side. That indicates that this data is not normally distributed. Now I am going to check what are the possible ways to convert the variable into normal distribution. For that purpose the command is ladder. Then I have to input the variable name, so press enter. You can see these are the possible way I can use to convert the CSR variable into normal distribution. We can also use the command ladder to see the visible outcome, by which we can see what kind of conversion is applicable to get a normal distribution. So the command is ladder. Then I have to input the variable name, so press enter. After a few seconds the graph will be visible, from where you can see which one will be useful for converting your variable into normal distribution. As you can see, these are the possible ways by which you can get the normal distribution for the CSR data. I am going to use one of them and I will check whether the data is converted into normal distribution. Suppose I am going to use the square root. So the formula to convert the square root is square first bracket CSR first bracket close. For conversion I have to generate a new variable. The command is generate. Then I have to give a new name. Suppose I am going to get a new variable which is square root. So this is the new variable name I am going to use for the converted variable. Then input equal sign, then copy this one and click on paste this here. So this is the command and this is the new variable name and this is the command generate, by which I will generate a new variable for the CSR variable. Since this data is not in normal distribution, I am going to try the square root of the CSR to check whether the data is normal or not. So I have created the new variable. Now I will check whether this converted variable is in normal distribution or not. So the command is histogram. Then I will input the new variable name, then comma, then write normal. So I am going to check whether the new variable is in normal distribution. Press enter. So after few seconds you will see the graph. We can see the output is in somewhat good position comparing to the previous distribution, but still I think there is necessity to convert in another format to get the bell-shaped curve which indicates the normal distribution. For that purpose I am going to close this one. From my previous experience, I am going to convert this CSR data into natural logarithm of CSR. For that purpose, the command is gen or generate, then provide the new variable name, then equal, then ln. Ln means natural logarithm, then here the variable name. So I am going to convert this CSR data into natural logarithm of CSR to check whether the converted variable will be in normal distribution or not. So I'm going to press enter. Here the alternative variable is natural logarithm of CSR. Now I will check whether this data is in normal distribution or not. To check the normal distribution, the command is histogram. Then I am going to input the new variable name, then place comma, then normal, place enter. After a few seconds, you can see the output is showing bell-shaped curve, which indicates that our new variable, which is natural logarithm of CSR, this variable is in now normal distribution. In this way, you can convert the non-normal distribution data into normal distribution data. First of all, you have to check the normality. Then you can generate a new variable by applying these commands.